Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to use ZBiotics pre-alcohol anti-hangover probiotics. So I might be wondering, what is the ZBiotics pre-alcohol that you may be hearing online? Well, ZBiotics pre-alcohol is a genetically engineered probiotic drink designed to break down acetaldehyde, now a byproduct created in the gut when the body processes alcohol, and the substance the brand identifies as the main driver of rough mornings after drinking. Now, use a patented bacteria strain, Bacillus subtilis ZB183, engineered to produce the same type of enzyme the liver normally uses to break down acetaldehyde. Now, the ingredients list is quite short here. So, in this case, that includes water, natural flavor, and the ZB183 probiotic. So, some listings also note potassium, sorbonate, and sodium chloride. Now, it's gluten-free, vegan, and free of major allergens, and manufactured in an FDA-registered food-grade facility, according to them. Now, how do you exactly start using this? Now, in this case, you need to drink one bottle before or during drinking. Now, the earlier the better here, ideally as the first drink of the night. Now, since the probiotics need some time to activate in the gut. Now, it's still effective if taken part way through drinking rather than beforehand. So, one bottle is described as remaining active in the body for roughly around 18 to 24 hours, covering a full day or evening of drinking. Now, the maker or the website here is explicit that pre-alcohol does not lower blood alcohol level or reduce intoxication. So, normal alcohol safety guidance still applies here, including not driving or operating machinery after drinking. Now, also the website here, or they specifically say here, you'll note that it's designed to pass through the body without altering the gut microbiome long term, though as with any new probiotics, some people may notice short adjustment periods here, like mild gas or bloating. Now, on the pricing side here, bottles are sold in multi-packs rather than individually. Now, a 3-pack runs around $12 per bottle, a 6-pack around $10 per bottle, and a 12-pack here around $9 per bottle. With bulk pricing available for larger 50 to 100 bottles order, it comes with free shipping on US orders and a money-back guarantee, and can be purchased as a one-time order or through a no-commitment subscription with delivery every 4 to 10 weeks for an additional 20% off. But that's about it. So, for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.